Is there a way to increase the ground clearance of the Toyota Veloz? Tara, sagutin natin yan. So unfortunately, one of the biggest weaknesses that the Toyota Veloz has is yan nga, yung kanyang ground clearance, no? It's way down there when we compare it to the other competitors in the segment, which we have a video about. Which is tama naman kasi nga yan dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, medyo mabaha talaga, 'di ba? As you know, with the recent events, madaming lubak. Certainly, that's one of the most important things to consider when buying a family car. But if you're like me who really likes the Toyota Veloz because of all the benefits and all the good stuff about this, then that's not gonna be a problem at all. First of all, I believe that the ground clearance has been more than enough for me. But yeah, the more the better, right? So I'm planning to do this one day. What you can do is you can change either your wheels, you can get a bigger one, or you can change your tires, yung medyo mas makapal. I'm hoping to do that someday. So stay tuned for more. Follow my channel. See you there.